Do you want younger, firmer skin without spending a fortune? Today, I'm going to show you an easy homemade recipe with just 3 ingredients that you already have at home. That's right. In just a few minutes, you'll have a natural treatment to smooth wrinkles and leave your skin looking amazing. Stay with me until the end because this tip could change your skincare routine. Let's get started. Channel maybe you have already lost hope in lightening the spots and wrinkles on your skin. Maybe you have already tried everything and still haven't found a solution, but know that this problem can be solved if you use the right recipe for your type of problem. This recipe today acts on the spots, promoting whitening, removes wrinkles, and stimulates the skin's collagen. Write down the ingredients: a teaspoon of rice flour. To prepare the rice flour, just beat the raw rice in the blender and pass it through a sieve well. Fine rice contains numerous benefits for pee and contains 2 substances: kojic acid and patera, which are powerful whitening and wrinkle removers. A teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, volume 10, can be liquid or creamy. Hydrogen peroxide helps to exfoliate the skin, therefore it helps to eliminate dead cells faster. Besides, promote a youthful and well-treated skin via a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil in addition to its healing and antioxidant properties. Extra virgin olive oil is very rich in vitamins and, among many other benefits, it also prevents and treats skin aging and prevents wrinkles, improves healing, increases skin firmness as it participates in the formation of collagen, reduces damage caused by ultraviolet rays, reduces erythema and skin sensitivity after exposure to UV rays. Mix the ingredients well. Apply the recipe all over the skin of the face. Apply only at night. Leave it to act on the skin for a maximum of 30 minutes. After that time, wash the area well. Repeat this procedure twice a week and the results will be extraordinary. If you like this information and if you like homemade and natural tips, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and if you are new here, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the updated videos.